Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to this Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In this Word of the Day video, let's talk about and use the verb lecture. Lecture. Lecture can be a noun or a verb, but in this video we're going to practice using it as a verb. Lecture means when trying to give a long speech about a topic when trying to teach. Let's use lecture as a verb in a few sentences. She lectures at the local college. The parents lectured their children about the importance of honesty. When I was in high school, my father often lectured me about the dangers of alcohol. Try to find opportunities to use lecture as a verb in your everyday English usage. My name is Jason. This has been your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.